Eating classic German food. The German schnitzel, some french fries, a nice mixed salad, and of course I gotta have a nice cold beer. Splash the lemon on the schnitzel. Cheers, family. A nicely breaded piece of meat right here. Splash of lemon makes it 10 times better. Let's try it with the mayo. Fantastic, not too oily, not too salty. Standard french fries, kind of taste like McDonald's. It's always good to have a nice balanced salad on the side. When it comes to classic German food, the schnitzel for me is top 3. Protein, got some carbs, vegetable, and then you wash it down with something real nice.